Our rural initiative for delivering education, the RIDE program, will assist rural students with their weekly transportation costs. Children in Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth, students from Manchester and Clarendon, young people from Portland and St. Ann, indeed from all across the island in rural parishes, they will benefit. From Portland to Hanover. We need to give the next generation a better chance. So we are championing change. We will ensure that teachers receive student debt reductions and motor vehicle concessions at levels that increase with their years of service in the teaching profession. We will ensure that teachers benefit from enhanced access to NHT loans and are given priority in housing allocations in NHT finance schemes. We will remove all taxes on laptops and tablets for students and teachers. And we will negotiate package deals to provide teachers with free internet service as a tool of their trade. That's right.